Here we are again on the farm to market road to Bilay. This is another logging truck. Actually, it's a veneer truck. It tipped over. We can't get by again, but nobody was hurt. Nobody was hurt. It's all good. Here's the truck. Yep. They got it all wedged up. Oi! Look at this. Working it out. There's the stuff. A badly loaded truck. Gonna take it all off.
Dili, pwede man daw may dinha. Balubong mo.
This is what happens to logging trucks. Actually, like I said, it's a veneer truck. But we'll have to go around now. Go someplace else. I don't know what they're gonna do to get it out. It's okay. They know what they're doing. Yep. I got a picture. Yep. They know what they're doing. I don't have a clue. There's Pajero. Here we go again. Now I got to go back down the road. Whew. What a trip. What a trip. There we go. One more logging truck takes the load down. Out.